Ever dreamed of adding powerful, programmable voice calling to your applications? Today, we're diving deep into how to make that a reality with Twilio. First, you'll need a Twilio account. Signing up is straightforward. And once you're in, locate your account SID and auth token. These are your keys to unlocking Twilio's capabilities. Next, we'll focus on initiating a call. This involves sending a request to Twilio's API. You'll specify the recipient's phone number, which is the to number, and your own Twilio phone number, which acts as the from number. The magic happens when Twilio receives this request. It then uses your Twilio number to connect to the recipient's phone, effectively bridging the communication gap programmed right into your system. But what does the called party here? That's where TwiML, Twilio's markup language, comes in. You can configure TwiML to say specific messages, play audio files, or even gather input from the caller. Think of it as the script for your automated voice interaction. Imagine seamlessly integrating voice notifications, customer support hotlines, or even automated appointment reminders directly into your applications. Twilio makes this level of advanced communication achievable. By mastering programmatic voice calls with Twilio, you unlock a universe of possibilities for enhancing user experiences and streamlining operations. Get ready to connect your applications with the power of the human voice.